Okay, exercise 6.1 first sum. Suppose you have two shorts, one is black and other one is blue, and you have three shirts. That colors are white, blue, red. Okay, so you have two shorts, one is black, another one is blue, and then you have three shirts. So white color, blue color, red color. You again wish to make different combinations, but you always want to make sure that the shorts and shirt that we are of different colors. List and check how many combinations are possible now. So which means what? Different colors la shirt இருக்கணும், different colors la shorts இருக்கணும். That's it. So if you wear black shirt, and then if you have to wear white shirt. So and then if you wear black shirt, and then you have to wear blue shirt. So that's it like that. So answer is, what is the given? There are two shorts and three shirts. Okay, so two shorts, one is black, another one is blue. What are the possibilities to wear different combination, different possible ways? Different possible ways. Suppose if you wear black shorts, there are three possible ways to different combination. So black shirt, white shirt, that is one combination. Black shirt, blue shirt, that is second combination. Black shirt and a red shirt, that is a third combination. So these three are different only, correct? Yeah, different color. Black shirt now, white shirt. Black shirt now, blue shirt. Black shirt now, red shirt. Same. And then blue shirt. If you wear blue shirt, and you can wear white shirt. If you wear blue shirt, you can wear blue shirt. So blue shirt, red shirt. So there are six possibilities to wear these dresses, different combinations. Okay, that's it. So there are six possibilities. So black shirt, white shirt. So black shirt, if you wear black shirt, you can wear white shirt. If you wear black shirt, so black shirt means there is only one black shirt, correct? And then there are three possible ways to wear that shirt. So white, blue, red. Again, if a blue shirt wear பண்ணீங்கன்னா, there are three possible way to wear three shirts: white, blue, red. So there are six possibilities. And then second question is, you have two red and blue blocks. How many different towers can you that are four blocks? I using these blocks list all the possibilities. So you have two red and two blue blocks, which means you have four blocks, correct? So two red blocks, two blue blocks. You have to construct one building blocks. Okay, that building blocks consists of just four floors. Okay, four use பண்ணி அந்த four block use பண்ணி how many different building blocks you have to, so you can form. Okay, so consider there are four places. Consider there are four places. If I put first places in the red, if I put in the place of first, I put red block, and then blue block, and then red block, and then blue block. So this is the first possibility. இதையும் இப்படி பண்ணலாம். What are the possibilities there? So if I put red, blue, blue, and blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue, because red means there are two red, first red, second red. Okay, so first வச்ச red வந்து, and again going to the second red. Okay, so there are two reds and there are two blues. So blue, red, and red, blue, red. So we have a possibility, six possibilities there are. Okay, it is easiest one. So we have two red blocks and two blue blocks. Okay, so which means what? You have to construct a one block, one building using these four blocks. So what are the possibilities of the towers? So red, first red போடலாம், and then blue, again red and blue. And then what are the second possibility? First red, and then red, also blue, and then blue. So blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue. Why blue, red, blue, red, blue are the same only? But because you have two red and two blue. So first red is different, second red is different. First blue is different from second blue. Okay, so BBRR, RBBR. So we have six possibilities. And third question, in the following magic triangle, arrange the numbers 1 to 6 so that the sum of all its sides. So what is the question now? In the following magic triangle, this is a triangle, okay? Arrange the number from 1 to 6. They given that from 1 to 6 we have to arrange the number in the place of that round symbol, okay? So that the same sum on is right there. So all sum means what? Addition. So if you add all the numbers on the sides, you will get the same answer. So left hand side add panna same answer or no, right hand side add panna same answer or no, and below add panna same answer or no. That's it. So we have 1 to 6, correct? So look at the triangle. This is our triangle. Yeah, in the up is one circle, and then below that two circle, and then below that three circle. So we have a number from 1 to 6, correct? So first of all, we have a smaller number, sir. 1, 2, 3 is a smaller number. I just put 1, 2, 3 in the corner of this triangle. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what are the sides? There are three sides. Triangle has three sides. One is left, another one is right, and then down. So first I just take left hand side. Look at the left hand side is there are 1, 6 and 2. We have to sum of these numbers. What does it mean by sum? Adding of this number. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So on left hand side answer is 9. And then I'm going to right hand side. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So right hand side also 9. And then down. What is the down? 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So three sides are equal. Three sides are equal values. So this is called magic triangle. Okay. So three sides are equal. So what are the possibilities? How many possibilities are there? So you can change the values to, first of all, we have a 9 answer, and then 10, and then 11, and then 12. Yeah, so you can change whatever you want, but you have to conclude the answer. So if I put 1, so this, look at that, 163, 145, and below that 2. So first of all, adding left hand side, 1 plus 6 plus 3. What is answer? 10. And then 1 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 5, 10. So left hand side, right hand side are equal. And then below one is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So below also 10. So three sides are equal. So there are how many possibilities? Look at this one. 6 plus 1, 4, 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2. So 6 plus 1 plus 4, left hand side is 11. 6 plus 3 plus 2, right hand side is also 11. 4 plus 5 plus 2, also 11. So this is also correct answer. And then fourth possibilities is 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6, 5, 1, 6. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is also correct answer. So this is magic. So there are four possibilities to make the magic triangle using numbers 1 to 6.